So over here in structured, there's no specific way to undo the task that you have done. For many of them, once you simply go ahead and do something, there's no way to undo it. But once you go ahead and type in something, let's say for example over here in wake up, I'm going to say wake up in morning right here, just like this. Then what happens is that you got this typed out right here. If I were to press Ctrl Z right here, then what happens is that I can undo it out right here, just like this. And I can go ahead and press Ctrl Y right here to redo it right here, just like this. And that is how, while you actually go ahead and type, let's say for example hello there right here, you can go ahead and press Ctrl Z to undo and then press Ctrl Y to redo out right there. That's still there. You can go ahead and type something, but after that you cannot redo it because I've actually already overwritten. But you can press Ctrl Z right here to go ahead and undo this out and then redo this out. So you can go around right here and type in random things, like let's say for example hello there, and let's say for example I add in like hi right here and hi right there. Press Ctrl Z, and then what happens is that it actually marks the changes. So whatever I have done right here, what happens is that it changes it out. And that is how you can utilize the undo and redo actions for text inside of structured. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.